Did you know that stretching every morning, as soon as you're out of bed or even still in bed, has several benefits for your body? For starters, it helps put you in the right mood and sets you up to start your day right. And I'm guessing you didn't know that. In today's video, we'll be sharing different types of stretches you should do every morning and why it's super important that you do them. Are you ready to find out? Let's dive right in. Before we list the stretches you should do every morning, it's imperative to explain why it's so important to do them. So, here are 5 benefits of stretching every morning. Easing pain and stiffness. One of the immediate benefits of morning stretching is the relief it provides from pain and stiffness. As you stretch, you gently work through the tension in your muscles and joints. This enhances your flexibility and reduces discomfort, making everyday movement easier. Improving blood flow and circulation. Stretching in the morning boosts circulation, increasing blood flow to your muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. Improved circulation also helps reduce muscle soreness and fatigue. Calming the mind. Taking a few minutes to stretch gives you a moment of calm before the busyness of the day begins. It's a time to focus on your body and breath, reducing stress and anxiety. Enhancing flexibility. Regular morning stretching gradually increases your range of motion, improving your flexibility, benefiting daily activities, and helping prevent injuries from sudden movements or strains. Setting a positive tone for the day. Stretching in the morning is a form of self-care. By incorporating mindful movement into your morning, you're telling yourself that your well-being matters, which encourages you to make healthier choices all day long. Now that we've covered the benefits, here are 7 stretches you should do every morning. Number 7, knees to chest stretch. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Gently bring one knee towards your chest and the other, hugging both with your arms. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This is excellent for releasing tension in your lower back and hips. Number 6, child's pose. Start on your hands and knees. Lower your hips back toward your heels, stretching your arms out in front of you. Let your forehead rest gently on the floor. Hold this pose to stretch your back, hips, and thighs, while also calming your mind. Number 5, upper back stretch. Sit or stand with your arms extended in front. Clasp your hands together and round your upper back, pushing your clasped hands forward. You should feel a gentle stretch across your upper back and shoulders. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch is especially good for those who spend a lot of time sitting or using computers. Number 4, cat-cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees. Make sure your knees are under your hips, wrists are under your shoulders. As you inhale, arch your back down, lifting your head and tailbone up. Cow pose. As you exhale, round your back toward the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. Cat pose. Continue this for 60 seconds. It helps spinal flexibility and eases tension in your torso and neck. Number 3, standing forward bend. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward at the hips, letting your head and arms hang toward the floor. If you can't touch the floor, that's okay. Just let your arms dangle or hold your elbows. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch is great for your hamstrings and lower back, and it also increases blood flow to the head. Number 2, cobra stretch. Lie on your stomach and place your hands flat beneath your shoulders. Tuck your elbows by your sides and gently raise your head and chest, keeping your hips and groin on the bed. If comfortable, look up and lightly close your teeth. Remember to relax your neck and shoulders. Hold for 10 seconds, then gently lower down. Repeat 8 to 10 times. Number 1, last but not least, the standing quad stretch. Stand straight and hold a wall or chair if needed. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Reach back and grab your left foot with your left hand. Keep your thighs aligned and your left leg in line with your hip. Feel the stretch in your left thigh and hips. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat with your right leg. There you have it, 7 morning stretches to help you kickstart your day and set a positive tone. By doing these stretches every morning, you'll not only feel great, but you'll also feel empowered for the next day ahead. Did you learn anything new today? Let us know in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.